The Executive Outline, Human Continuance Operations for the Next Age. Now this is a book that I've wrote and copyrighted, but it took me about 7 years to write it, but I completed the copyright this year, and I've sent it to a couple of people. It's about a progressive steps towards the building of infrastructure to have a real live working economy that continues to expand the human race and all life out into the universe, because I am using the scientific evidence when I say that there is no other life in the universe. We have no evidence of other life in the universe whatsoever. Whether it be the SETI program, radio astronomy, physical searches, anything we've ever done, we've never found any evidence for life anywhere else in the universe. So therefore, I say that we just say this planet is the only place where life exists. And because I believe in God, I say that if God wanted humankind to spread into the universe, then he must have put resources massive enough for us to do that. And so this was the thesis of my book. And working from that concept, I came up with a whole outline of specific resources that we can immediately go out and take advantage of, capture, and start to use to build the infrastructure to profit from immediately, and to expand human life. This includes even going faster than light. It includes instantaneous communications. It includes wealth. Wealth grows at the same moving average rate that population growth moves at. 200 day, 50 day, 2,000 year, whatever you're looking at for a population growth, limited resources move in the same direction as population. Now, the only resource that I did not have to worry about when I was writing the book was life itself, because life, and we have to eat life to live, right? So life is also our food, right? But life grows exponentially. So all life multiplies exponentially. So as long as we can export ecosystems from the earth, I found, then they will grow wherever we place them. So we don't have to worry about aliens. Aliens don't matter. Research doesn't matter anymore. We have sufficient intelligence to develop the infrastructure and tap the resources that we need to make lots of money and to expand the human race and all life out into a lifeless universe. As far as we know, we have never found any evidence of life. So, like I said, that was the thesis of my book. That's the thesis of these talks. And the next video is going to be first about the principle of accumulative acceleration. That is, going faster than light.